once again and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for watching more update videos.
Hello everyone. In this example, I'm going over an example on method of section to solve the truss problem statics. For example, if someone asked you to solve the member at point D, in method of joint, you have to go step by step. You have to solve the member at point A, then go to point B, C, D, and so on. But in method of section, you have to find the specific member he asks you. So now I'm going to solve the reaction first. So I'll take summation of fx is equal 0. So I have HA. I don't have any forces acting at the horizontal direction. Therefore, our HA is equal 0. Second step, I'll take summation of Fy, which is equal 0. So I have VA plus VB is equal 30 kilonewton plus 60 kilonewton because acting opposite of V and VB. So my VA plus VB will be equal to 30 plus 60 is 90 kilonewton. In the next step is I'm going to take a moment at point A to find the reaction at point B, and then I can find the reaction at point A. So I'll take summation of moment at point A first. So I'll take anti-clockwise as a positive. I'm assuming anti-clockwise positive, yeah? So VB times the total. So the total distance is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 20. That will be equal to 30 times 8, which the distance is. Because the 30 is acting clockwise and the VB was acting anti-clockwise, that's why the VB was opposite their 30. So therefore, and then the plus 60 times the total distance is 4, 8, 12, 16 times 16. So 20 VB is equal to 30 times 8, 30 times 8, 240 plus 60 times 16. That will be equal to 960. So both sides divided by 20. This one will cancel each other. So my VB will be equal to, so 240 plus 960 divided by 20, and that will be equal to 60 kilonewton. That's the value of my VB, and that's a tension. So value of my VA will be equal to, so as I said, VA plus VB is equal to 90 kilonewton. So what I do now, so 90 minus 60, that will be equal to 30 kilonewton. That's tension as well. So now I'm going to solve the member at joint D now. So now I'm going to solve point A, B, and C. So now I'll take a cut from that point. So I'll take it like that. So I have taken a cut now. So at point A, I have found out the value, which was 30 kilonewton acting upward, and then at point C I have 30 kilonewton which is acting downward. So now I am going to find the member on at point A, B, and C. Yeah, so I just call it as FA, FB, and FEC. So to find the member force at point FC, we need to take a moment at point D. So now I'll take summation of moment at point D first. It's equal 0. Yeah, so here's our moment now. We know our FAC, so I will assume that anti-clockwise is a positive. Yeah, so we know that FAC is acting anti-clockwise, so I will take FAC, yeah, times, we know that distance is 4 meter plus 30, so 30 times the distance is 4, because acting at the same direction of FAC, that's why it's plus, and then equal to this 30, because that this 30 kilonewtons acting clockwise now, times that distance is 12. So 4 FAC plus 30 times 4, so I'll take 30 times 4, that will equal to 120, is equal to 30 times 12, that will equal to 360. So 4 FC will be equal to 360 minus 120, so both sides divide by 4. The value of my FSC will be equal to, so 360 minus 120 divided by 4, that will be equal to 60 kilonewton, and that's the tension. So now I'm going to solve the member of FA. So now I'm going to solve the member of FA. So I'll take summation of moment at point C to find the member of FA. So I'll take summation of moment at point C, which is equal 0. I will assume clockwise positive this time. So FA times the distance is 4 meter. So FA times the distance is 4 meter, because acting clockwise, plus 30 times the distance is 8 meter, which is equal to 0, because FA plus 30 is acting clockwise. So my F for FA will be equal to 30 times 8, that will be equal to 240. Both sides divided by 4. This will cancel each other. So our FA will be equal to 240 divided by 4, and that will be equal to, become minus. So minus 60 kilonewton, and that's compression. MPR, that's compression. So now I'm going to solve the member of FAB. So I'll take summation of FAY now. So summation of FY is equal 0. So to find out the FAB, we should know the angle. So what is the angle of this? So just put inverse tan of 4 over 4, and that will be equal to 45 degrees. So you know our theta is equal to 45 degrees, yeah? So take summation of FY. Because in this direction everything is positive. Sine is a positive, cosine is a positive. So I will take now summation of FY is equal 0. So FB sine of 45 plus 30 minus 30, that will be equal 0. So this plus minus will cancel each other. So my FB will be equal to 0 divided by sine 45, and that will be equal to 0. So my FB will be equal to 0 kilonewton. And thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos. If you have any question regarding this example, please comment below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you.